The 1000 LB Sisters world has always been filled with drama, transformation, family struggles, and unexpected revelations, but Amy Slayton's latest confession about her new boyfriend Brian is turning more heads than ever. Fans have watched Amy Slayton navigate the challenges of weight loss, motherhood, and relationships over the years, and now she is opening up about a side of her life that has not been publicly explored in this detail before. Amy recently admitted that Brian has taken over the responsibility of managing her finances, including her show salary and income from various appearances, and has turned it into what she calls his job. The shocking detail immediately sent waves through the fan community, with many expressing concern while others praised Amy for having someone she trusts help her keep her money organized. This news has not only added to the curiosity about Amy and Brian's relationship but has also sparked deeper conversations about trust, independence, and financial control within relationships that play out under the spotlight of reality television. Amy Slayton has long been one of the most beloved cast members of 1000 LB Sisters, thanks to her open personality, her sense of humor, and her role as a dedicated mother to her two boys, Gage and Glenn. From the moment the series began, Amy's dreams were rooted in creating a healthier life and being the kind of mother who could keep up with her children. She fought hard to qualify for weight loss surgery, achieved remarkable progress, and later fulfilled her dream of becoming a mom. But along the way, her marriage to Michael Halterman crumbled, resulting in a messy split that included custody issues, disagreements over finances, and emotional strain. Since then, fans have been closely monitoring Amy's love life, eager to see if she could find happiness and stability with a new partner. When Brian entered the picture, many were skeptical, but Amy quickly defended him as a source of comfort, stability, and support in her post-divorce life. Her latest admission about Brian taking charge of her money is adding another complex layer to the relationship. According to Amy, Brian's involvement in her finances started small but grew into a more structured responsibility over time. At first, he was simply helping her organize bills and make sure that she didn't fall behind on payments while juggling the overwhelming responsibilities of single motherhood and filming commitments. But as Amy revealed in a recent conversation, it has evolved into something bigger, with Brian essentially serving as the manager of her income. This means that Brian reportedly monitors her show salary from TLC, keeps track of her earnings from cameo videos, social media deals, and brand promotions, and even helps to plan her spending budget. Amy described it as his job within their relationship, one that has eased her burden and given her more time to focus on her kids and her personal well-being. For Amy, who has often admitted that money management has never been her strong suit, having Brian step into this role feels like a blessing. But for fans who have seen similar situations play out badly in other celebrity relationships, the development has raised some red flags. The idea of a partner managing a celebrity's finances is not unheard of, especially in the entertainment world, where busy schedules and personal struggles can often complicate things. However, history has shown that such arrangements can sometimes lead to exploitation, mistrust, and financial disputes. Amy's fans, many of whom consider themselves protective of her after seeing her hardships, were quick to voice both concern and curiosity about this new setup. Social media buzzed with comments ranging from supportive encouragement to stern warnings. Some fans applauded Brian for stepping up and helping Amy in an area where she has admitted to struggling. They saw it as a sign of his dedication and genuine care for her well-being. Others, however, worried that Amy could be opening herself up to financial vulnerability, especially considering her history of being taken advantage of in relationships. The comparisons to other reality stars who have faced financial ruin at the hands of partners or managers were unavoidable, and many expressed hope that Amy has safeguards in place to protect herself and her children's future. For Amy herself, this arrangement appears to be a matter of practicality and trust. She has repeatedly said that Brian makes her feel safe and supported in ways that she didn't feel in her previous marriage. She believes he is not only interested in her as a person but is also invested in the well-being of her kids. That kind of stability is something Amy has openly admitted to craving. In her eyes, Brian taking over her financial responsibilities is simply an extension of that support system. By offloading the stress of money management, she has more energy to put into raising Gage and Glenn, maintaining her health, and focusing on her television career. Amy has even joked that while Brian may not be on the TLC payroll, he's certainly doing a lot of behind-the-scenes work to keep her life running smoothly. She describes him as a steady presence who thrives on organization, something she often struggles with. The contrast between her easygoing, sometimes chaotic personality and Brian's more methodical approach seems to balance their relationship dynamic. This revelation also comes at a time when Amy is still battling for stability in other areas of her life. Her ongoing custody situation with Michael remains a sensitive subject, as fans know from watching the last season of 1000 LB Sisters. The strain of co-parenting, dealing with court matters, and trying to keep her kids' lives consistent has been overwhelming. Adding financial stress to that mix could easily push Amy to her limits, which is why she says she is grateful that Brian has taken that part off her plate. From her perspective, this is not about control but about teamwork. Still, the optics of the situation continue to spark debate, especially as viewers of the show have often been vocal about not wanting to see Amy hurt again. Many recall how Amy has struggled in the past with setting boundaries and making tough decisions, and they hope that she is not putting too much trust into someone she has only been with for a relatively short period of time. As the conversation continues to spread across fan groups and social media platforms, it is also highlighting broader issues about financial independence and vulnerability in relationships, especially for women in the public eye. The fact that Amy is talking openly about her money being handled by Brian adds a layer of transparency that fans appreciate, but it also raises questions about whether this kind of arrangement could affect her independence long term. Will she still feel fully in control of her own life and career decisions, or will Brian's involvement blur the lines between partner and manager? It's a question that only time can answer, but it is one that fans will continue to watch closely as Amy and Brian's relationship develops further. For now, Amy is embracing her new reality and seems more optimistic than she has in years. She has spoken warmly about Brian's presence in her life, crediting him with bringing her a sense of peace and balance. She sees his handling of her finances not as a loss of control, but as a sign of partnership. Fans may remain divided, but Amy insists that she knows what she's doing and that her children's well-being is always at the forefront of her decisions. As the new season of 1000 LB Sisters looms closer, viewer will likely get to see more of Brian and perhaps even a glimpse of how this financial arrangement plays out on camera. Whether it becomes another source of drama or a testament to Amy's growth and resilience remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: Amy Slayton continues to surprise fans with her openness and her willingness to share her unconventional journey, unfiltered and unapologetic. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.